Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the Breville Oracle Touch and the De'Longhi Dinamica with latte crema. Both are silver, both are from Amazon Renewed, making it a bit of a gamble.
Right, both renewed, so condition is a question mark. But let's dive into the specs. The Breville is a beast, weighing in at 37.3 pounds. The De'Longhi is much lighter, only 23.2 pounds. That's a big difference in counter space real estate, right?
Definitely. And size-wise, the Breville is a bit bigger overall. The Breville also has a touchscreen. The De'Longhi uses an LCD display and buttons. Which do you prefer?
Touchscreen is fancy, but I wonder about longevity. Buttons seem more reliable. Feature-wise, the Breville boasts a dual boiler and precise temperature control. Sounds serious for espresso nerds?
Totally. The Breville grinds, doses, and tamps automatically, 22 grams of coffee. It even textures the milk automatically with its steam wand. The De'Longhi has an integrated grinder too, with 13 adjustable settings, but the description doesn't mention the exact amount of coffee it doses.
The De'Longhi highlights its latte crema system, which automatically froths milk and is even compatible with alternative milks, which is nice. They also emphasize the My Menu personalization, where you can save your perfect recipe.
The Breville lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees. It also has a hot water function. Both can make lattes, cappuccinos, and espressos.
Right, it seems like the Breville is really pushing for a professional cafe-quality experience at home with more automation. The De'Longhi seems a bit more focused on ease of use and customization with a broader range of milk options.
It comes down to preference, I guess. Do you want all the bells and whistles and are willing to deal with the larger size and weight of the Breville? Or do you prefer a slightly simpler, lighter machine with good milk frothing and personalization options, like the De'Longhi?
And, the reviews. The Breville has only 2 ratings and a 2.5-star average. Yikes! The De'Longhi has 9 ratings and a 4.3-star average. That renewed Breville review also is pretty bad. Weights in the box instead of the real product.
I think I'd be a little more hesitant about the Breville based on that alone. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.